Hello there, this is the G5W GSM SMS 3G WCDMA alarm system. This system doesn't need a contract and doesn't have any monthly fees. It's very easy to use with the free app and can be set up within several minutes. It's expandable up to 50 sensors and 10 remote controls. The G5W kit contains the G5W panel, desk stand, wall mount, AC adapter, door window contact with double-sided tape, 2 RFID tags, peer motion detector with the peer motion bracket, 2 remote controls, a screw set, warning decals and its documentation. Then how does the alarm system work? When a sensor has been triggered, it will send a signal to the control panel. The control panel will sound the built-in siren immediately and send an SMS to all stored phone numbers. When an optional siren is installed, the panel will sound this siren as well. Sensors can be placed in different zones. In order to receive text notifications and calls, the G5 panel needs to have a SIM card. Keep in mind to disable the standard passcode and disable voicemail. Also keep in mind that a normal size SIM card is used. So when using a nano or micro SIM card, you will need an adapter to fit into the control panel. Pull the strap out of the sensor. Keep the cut out parts of the door window contact pointed to each other. Now we separate the magnet from the sensor and the red indicator on the sensor will be seen, which means it has been triggered. Installation can be done at the side of a door or window opening. Place the sensor on the side, place the magnet on the door or window itself. Make sure the triangles face each other and keep the distance within 1 cm. Pull the strap out of the motion detector in order to get it in operational mode. When the detector sees movement twice within 3 minutes, the detector goes into power saving mode. This means it will not be triggered and will not send a signal to the control panel. Click twice on the button at the back side of the motion detector in order to send a signal to pair the device. Installation height is best at 2 meters. This will give a range of about 8 meters at 110 degrees width. You can control and set the G5 alarm system by app. The app is available for free in App Store and Google Play. In the G5 app you first see the tab with the basic controls. You can set arm, home mode, disarm, voice memo or have a two-way talk. On the other tabs you can set several settings. For instance, you can store the phone numbers which will be notified in case of an alarm and set if they will receive a text message, a phone call or both. Furthermore, you can name sensors, set the delay time and even name RFID tags. When an RFID tag is used to disarm the system, the panel will send a message to the phone number. This way you can receive a message when your kids are coming home or your housekeeper is coming in to clean the house. Via the app it's possible to add up to 15 optional Chango IP116 HD cameras. This camera has a built-in microphone and speaker for talkback and on-site listening. The camera sensor creates superb images in low light conditions. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to follow our channel for upcoming videos. For more information go to chango.com.